SLR stands for single lens reflex. These cameras are generally larger and heavier compared to point-and-shoot models, and are used mostly by people who want higher image quality, more creative options, and better performance when shooting fast-moving events such as sports. SLRs generally range in price from $400 to $3,000 and up. Here are some technical talking points to know about SLRs. Single lens means the image you see through the eyepiece is a reflected image of the scene you're shooting. Reflex refers to the image being bounced off a mirror. As you press the shutter, the mirror flips up and the camera captures the image on the sensor. All SLRs use interchangeable lenses and have large sensors. The larger the image sensor, the shallower the depth of field the camera is able to produce, allowing for more creative photos, such as focusing on a subject and blurring out the background. Most SLRs have plenty of manual controls, such as an exposure compensation dial to quickly brighten or darken a scene. There are also full-frame SLRs. Their image sensor is the size of one frame of 35mm film, the largest of any consumer cameras. A full-frame sensor allows the camera to more accurately capture both bright highlights and dark details in the same image.